Hello guys, welcome to EduTap. I am your educator Prakash and I welcome you all in the session of Important MCQs, in which today we are going to discuss the MCQs related to Chapter 17 of the Indian Penal Code. Right? So guys, this is going to be lecture number 20, and those who have not attended the previous lectures, they can watch the previous lecture by referring to the playlist of SEBI Grade A Legal on our YouTube channel, right guys? So those who have not attended, they can watch all the lectures till yet by going to the playlist of SEBI Grade A Legal on our YouTube channel. Now let's proceed, guys. So as you all know that we have launched Practice 5000 plus Practice MCQ course for paper 2 of SEBI Grade A Legal Officer examination, which will cover the entire syllabus of phase 1 as well as phase 2. So you do not need to worry. If you have prepared, if you have finished your content, then you can solve a lot of MCQs, because this is going to help you in your actual examination. As guys, you have to solve 50 questions in 40 minutes. So this is really a challenging task. For that, you have to be prepared before your actual examination. That is why we have launched this course, so that you can take the advantage to the fullest, right? Guys, as a part of this course, you will be given chapter wise MCQs, right? The chapters which are the part of the syllabus of your SEBI Grade A officer examination, that is for legal officer examination. You will get the questions accordingly. And guys, one more important feature is that you will get around 500 plus free MCQs, right? Free 500 plus MCQs. For that, you do not need to pay anything. So guys, what you need to do is you have to take the advantage of these 500 plus MCQs, and if you feel them suitable, if you find them suitable, that they are helping you in making your preparation stronger, so that guys, you can refer this course, right? Otherwise, you are already going in the right direction. So I hope you got the clarity. The link of this course is given in the description box below. Hello Kavita, good evening. Guys, we have also launched one more course, that is SEBI Grade A Legal Free Starter Pack of 7 days, in which you will get a lot of information about the SEBI Grade A Legal Officer examination, like the eligibility for this examination, the cutoff for this examination, the strategy, how to strategize your preparation for this examination, the salary and profile of SEBI Grade A Legal Officer, etc. Right? So you will get a lot of information about the SEBI Grade A Legal Officer examination as a part of this course, that is SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Free Starter Pack of 7 days. And guys, those 500 plus MCQs that we have discussed right now, you will also get those 500 plus free MCQs as a part of this course as well. So do enroll for this course, guys. The link of this course is given in the description box below, right? So those who are new here, do subscribe our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel to get the latest updates as well as the PDF of our YouTube sessions. So guys, these are our achievers for previous sessions question. So Simi Prasad, Jyoti Namdev, Agni, Gaurav Mishra and Aman Kumar, right? So they all have given the right answer. So I salute their commitment and dedication towards this examination. Guys, believe me, these kind of exercises will definitely help you in your D-Day, right? So you will see the result on your D-Day. So whatever you are participating here, that the fruit of that you will have on your D-Day, that is on your actual examination day. Now guys, let's proceed with today's content. So question number first is that punishment of theft is provided in under which of the section of the Indian Penal Code, right? So your options are section 376 of IPC, section 377 of IPC, section 378 of IPC, section 379 or section 380. So guys, you all have to participate in the session irrespective of the fact that you do not know the answer. Doesn't matter guys, no one is here to judge you, right? We do not have the provision of negative marking here. You have to participate. These sessions are being conducted so that you can take the advantage of these sessions, the content. You can make all mistakes here itself, and you are not supposed to do mistakes in your actual examination, right? So take the advantage of these sessions. Do commit mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and do not repeat that mistakes in your actual examination. So Kavita is saying option number D, that is section 379 of the Indian Penal Code, right? Let's see guys. So the right answer for this question is option number D, that is section 379 of Indian Penal Code. Very good, Kavita. So guys, section 379 prescribes punishment for the offense of theft. It states that whoever commits theft shall be punished with simple or rigorous imprisonment for a term extending up to 3 years, or with fine, or with both, right? So these whatever MCQs we are discussing here, guys, these are very, very important MCQs, and you all have to revise these MCQs before your actual examination. Believe me, a lot of questions will be there in your actual examination from these MCQs itself. I am repeating this thing again and again in all our sessions, right? So Ujjwala is also saying option number D. So yes, both of you are correct. The right answer for this question is option number D, that is section 379 of the Indian Penal Code. Now let's move to the question number second. So guys, question number second is a case study, which is a favorite area of the examination conducting body, since a lot of case studies are already there in your actual examination. Around 8 to 10 questions will be there from the case study, right? So you have to have the knowledge how to apply your theoretical knowledge as a in a case form, right? So you have to have idea about that. So read the question. H takes property belonging to S out of the possession of S in good faith, right? Then, believing at the time when he takes it that the property belongs to himself. Later on, realizing his mistake, H continues to appropriate the property to his own use. So H has committed the offense of, so which of the following offense H has committed here? That is robbery, theft, criminal breach of trust, criminal misappropriation, or cheating. So tell me guys, what is the right answer for question number 2? You have to read the question properly, underline the keyword there, and then try to attempt the question, right? This you have to make the habit in your actual examination also. And guys, for that matter, you have to solve 50 questions in 40 minutes, right? So for that you have to be very accurate, as well as you have to very fast. Otherwise you will not finish your paper, right? You will not be able to finish your paper. So for that you have to have a lot of practice. For that is why we are conducting these sessions. Okay, so Kavita is saying option number C, that is criminal breach of trust. Okay, so let's see the right answer for this question, guys. The right answer is criminal misappropriation of property, right? So there is a slight difference you have to understand. Section 403 defines and punishes the offense of dishonest or criminal misappropriation of property. It says that whoever either dishonestly misappropriates or dishonestly converts to his own use any movable property. So initially H had not committed any offense, right? Then as he had good faith, then as soon as he realized that property belonged to S, and he still continued to use that for his own use, he is guilty of criminal misappropriation, right? So those who are saying option number D, they are correct. Ujjwala is saying D, even Kavita is saying D, right? So right answer for this question is option number D. Guys, one more request, please mention the question number before marking your answer, so that I do not get confused what question you are referring here, right? Now let's move to the question number third. So guys, question number third is X obtains property from Z by saying that your child in the hands of my gang and will be put to death unless you send us 10 lakh rupees. X commits which of the following offense? So your options are a criminal breach of trust, robbery, extortion, theft, or criminal misappropriation. Tell me guys the right answer for question number third. Do mention question number first, then mark your answer. Tell me the right answer for question number third, guys. So the right answer for question number third is option number C, that is extortion. Right guys? So extortion is committed by a person who intentionally puts any person in fear of any injury, either to that person or to any other person, and thereby dishonestly induces the person so put in fear to deliver to any person either any property or valuable security or anything signed or sealed which may be converted into a valuable security. So extortion is defined under section 383, right? So Ujjwala is saying option number C, Adil is saying C, or Vikalp is saying C, Kavita is saying C, right? So all of you are correct, guys. Well done. All of you are correct. The right answer for this question is option number C, that is extortion, right? So well done, guys. You guys are participating really very well. Now let's move to the question number 4th. So guys, question number 4th is whoever intending to take dishonestly any movable property out of the possession of any person without that person's consent moves that property in order to such taking is said to commit which of the following offense? So your options are extortion, mischief, theft, criminal misappropriation or robbery. Guys, read the question carefully, then try to answer that. These kind of questions are very much frequent in your examinations. They simply copy the provision, paste into your question paper, and that you have to solve, that you have to identify which of the following provisions are discussed here, right? Now guys, tell me the right answer for question number 4th. So the right answer for question number 4th is option number C, that is theft, right? So guys, if you read section 378 of Indian Penal Code, it defines the offense of theft. So theft is committed when a person with the intention of taking dishonestly any movable property out of the possession of any other person without the consent of that person moves that property in order to such a taking, right? So the right answer is option number C, that is theft. So those who are saying C, that is the right answer. Adil is saying B. No, Adil, it's option number C, theft. Ujjwala is saying C, right? Kavita is saying C, great, right? So those who are saying C, C is the right answer for this question. So read the question carefully, then try to attempt, right? So guys, you guys are really participating very well. Guys, do participate. This is really going to be beneficial for your examination, in your actual examination, right? Now let's move to the question number 5th. So guys, question number 5th again is a case study. X sends through his servant a typewriter to be delivered to Y, right? Then which is his friend. Then the servant takes the typewriter and uses it over a period of time. The servant is guilty of which of the following offense? That is extortion, theft, criminal misappropriation of property, criminal breach of trust, or receiving stolen property. So tell me guys, read the case properly, carefully, then after that try to attempt that. This you have to do in your actual examination as well. So tell me the right answer for question number 5th. And do mention question number, guys. So guys, the right answer for this question, that is question number 5th, is option number D, that is criminal breach of trust. Right guys? So section 495 states that whoever being in any manner entrusted either with property or with any dominion over property either dishonestly misappropriates or dishonestly converts to his own use that property, or either dishonestly uses or dishonestly disposes of that property in violation of any direction of law which has prescribed the mode in which such trust is to be discharged, or of any legal express or implied contract which he has made touching the discharge of such trust, or willfully suffers any other person so to do, commits criminal breach of trust, right? So here the servant was entrusted the property by X to deliver it to Y. Instead he used the property for his own use. The servant has committed criminal breach of trust, right guys? So those who are aware of the provision, they can easily solve these kind of questions. So those who are saying option number D, they are correct. Vikalp is saying D, Adil is saying D, Ujjwala is saying D, and Kavita is also saying D. So you all guys are correct. The right answer for this question is option number D, that is criminal breach of trust. Right guys? Very well done guys. Now let's move to the question number 6. So question number 6, again a case study, because guys, from Indian Penal Code, a lot of case studies are there. You will get a very less question from theoretical parts. You will have a lot of questions from the case study. That is why we are covering the case studies as much as we can. Right? Now the next question is, 6th question is, A finds a ring belonging to Z on a table in the house of Z. Right? Z occupies. Then here the ring is in Z's possession, and if A dishonestly removes it, A committed which of the following offense? Right? So your options are robbery, theft, dacoity, criminal breach of trust, or extortion. So which of the following is correct guys? Read the case properly, read the case carefully, highlight the under keywords, then try to attempt the question. Tell me the right answer for question number 6th. Rahul Chaudhary is saying 5th D. Yeah Rahul, the right answer for question number 5th was D. Great. Now tell me the right answer for question number 6th. Guys, you all have to participate in the session. Believe me, this is really going to be a very beneficial exercise for you. So do attempt. Either you do not know, irrespective of the fact that you have no idea about the question, do attempt. Make a blind guess here. No one is going to judge you. 6th D. Okay, so Kavita is saying B, but Rahul is saying D. Kavita, Okay, Kavita is saying D, that B, that is theft. Okay guys, come on, I know, I want more answers. Adil is saying A, that is robbery. Okay, tell me guys the right answer. You all have to participate. So the right answer for this question is option number B, that is theft. Guys, read the question carefully, then try to fit that into the actual provision, theoretical provision, right? So if A removes the ring out of Z's possession dishonestly, A commits theft, right? Section 378 states theft has to take dishonestly any movable property out of the possession of any person without that person's consent, moves their property in order to such taking is said to commit theft, right? So those who are saying option number B, that is the correct answer. So Ujjwala is saying B. Great. So theft is the right answer for this question. Guys, you have to read the question carefully, then try to attempt that, right? Now let's move to the question number 7th. So guys, question number 7th is how many persons are required for the offense of robbery to become dacoity, right? Read the question carefully. Then your options are 2 persons, 3 persons, at least 3 persons, at least 5 persons or at least 3 persons. Guys, यहाँ पे repeat हो रहा है ये options, ठीक है? यहाँ पे 4 persons है, 4, right? Now tell me the right answer for question number 7th. So tell me guys, what is the right answer for question number 7th? Do participate guys. सभी को participate करना है session में. This is going to be very beneficial. Believe me. कुछ एस्पिरेंट्स लगातार एक्सरसाइज में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं गाइस. बिलीव मी, यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट ऑन योर डी डे, राइट? When you will be able to solve a lot of questions in much faster speed as compared to other competitors, right? Okay, so do mention question number please. I'm referring this again and again so that I do not get confused. Okay, so 7th का D, Rahul Chaudhary is saying option number D, that is at least 5 person. Okay, Agni is saying D, Kavita is saying D, Agni is saying D. Okay, Ujjwala is saying D. So guys, the right answer for question number 7 is option number D, right? You guys have you all have given the right answer. Well done guys, great. Adil is saying D, great. So section 391 of the Indian Penal Code defines the offense of dacoity. It says that when 5 or more persons, ये आपको यहाँ पे याद रखना. This you have to remember, right? 5 or more persons conjointly commit a robbery, or they conjointly attempt to commit a robbery, or where the whole number of persons conjointly committing or attempting to commit a robbery and persons present and aiding such commission or attempt amount to 5 or more, every person who is so committing, attempting or aiding is said to commit dacoity. Guys, you have to आपको यहाँ पे एक चीज समझना चाहिए, यहाँ पे जो लोग एड कर रहे हैं साथ में, राइट, दे आर नॉट एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दैट कमीशन ऑफ ऑफेंस, इवन दे आर एडिंग. अगर वो बाहर से अगर एड भी कर रहे हैं, उनको हेल्प कर रहे हैं, देन इन दैट केस आल्सो दैट विल बी काउंटेड एज अ डेकोइटी इफ द नंबर ऑफ टोटल पर्सन्स इज मोर देन 5, राइट? 5 or more than 5, ठीक है guys? Then in that case that will be considered as dacoity. So that this you have to know, this you have to have idea. Being a law graduate, these kind of things you have to have idea. और यही चीजें वो चेक करने वाले हैं एग्जामिनेशन में. They will give a little bit confusing statement so that you have to identify the right one. So those who have given the right answer, that is the option number D for question number 7. So that is the right answer. So all you have given the right answer. So very well done guys. Now let's move to the question number 8. So guys, question number 8 is which statement correctly distinguishes theft from extortion, right? This is very important question. So your options are: in theft there is dishonest intention, whereas in extortion it is not there, right? Then option number B is in extortion there is dishonest intention, whereas in theft it is not there, right? Now option number C is in theft there is dishonest intention, whereas in extortion it is fraudulent intention. Option number D, in theft there is taking of property, whereas in extortion there is delivery of property. And option number E is none of the above. Now guys, read the question carefully, then try to attempt this. This is very important question, right? This can be asked in your examination in any form, right? Difference between theft and robbery. Here we are discussing theft from extortion, right? Tell me guys, what is the right answer for question number 8? So क्या है friends, option number 8 का right answer? Tell me. So the right answer for question number 8 is option number D, that is in theft there is taking of property, whereas in extortion there is delivery of property, right? Delivery of property. So I hope you got it, guys. The right answer for question number 8 is option number D. So no one has answered this question. I'm saying that even you do not know the answer, try to attempt that question. So Rahul Chaudhary is saying option number D, great. D is the right answer for this question. Kavita is saying B. No, Kavita, it is D, that is this one. Ujjwala is saying D, great. Kavita is saying D, right? Right, guys, so you all have given the right answer for this question. So very well done, guys. Now let's move to the question number 9. Okay, read the explanation first. So in section 378, theft occurs when a person takes the property out of possession, whereas as per section 383, extortion is committed when the person put in fear delivers the property to the accused. Right? Even Piyush is saying D, Adil is saying D. Guys, you all have given the right answer. Very well done, guys. Now let's move to the question number 9th. So question number 9th is, whoever with intent to cause or knowing that he is likely to cause wrongful loss or damage to the public or to any person causes the destruction of any property or any such change in any property or in the situation thereof as destroys or diminishes its value or utility or affects it injuriously, so he committed the which of the following offense? Your options are mischief, theft, robbery, destruction of property, or house trespass. So guys, tell me the right answer for question number 9th. Friends, in case if you have any query or you want some important session regarding our SEBI Grade A legal examinations, then make a comment. We'll definitely come up with a video with a session, so that will be helpful for you in your actual examination, right? So those who want some special session or those who have any doubt regarding this examination, even content or strategy, then do make a comment, guys. We'll definitely resolve your query. Okay, so Agni is saying option number A, mischief. Okay, Kavita is saying option number A. Saloni is saying option number A. Great, guys, you all have to participate. Tell me the right answer for question number 9. Piyush is saying option number D, that is destruction of property. Okay, Piyush Gupta, you are saying D as well as A also. Tell me, guys, what is the right answer? More person I needed. Piyush Gupta is saying A. Okay, Piyush, your option is option number A. So the right answer for this question is option number A, that is mischief, right? So those who are saying A, that is the right answer. So I hope everyone has given the right answer, right? Okay, so A is the right answer for this question. So the statement in question defines the offense of mischief. So guys, mischief is defined in section 425 of the Indian Penal Code. So essentially, there are 3 key elements to establish mischief as per the definition laid down in section 425, which are as follows. That is, intention or the knowledge of the act, mens rea must be there, right? Then the act resulting in destruction, damage, or change in the property or situation thereof, that is actus reus. Then the change must lead to diminishing the value or utility. So if these all essentials are there, then in that case, that will be the offense of mischief, right? So all you have given the right answer. Great, guys. Now let's move to the last question of the day. So guys, question number 10, again a case study. A finds a ring lying on the road, not in the possession of any person, right? Then there is a bill with that ring which shows the name and address of the owner of ring. A takes the ring for his own use, and for that purpose A has committed which of the following offense? That is theft, criminal breach of trust, criminal misappropriation of property, extortion, or mischief. So tell me, guys, the right answer for question number 10. What is the right answer for question number 10, friends? The right answer for question number 10 is, that is option number C, criminal misappropriation of property, right? So those who are saying C, Kavita is saying C, great. Agni is saying 10th A. No, Agni, the right answer for this question is option number C, right? Okay. Kavita is saying 10th C. So C is the right answer for question number 10th, right? Guys, so if you read section 404 of Indian Penal Code, then it states that criminal misappropriation of property is committed when a person either dishonestly misappropriates or dishonestly converts to his own use any movable property. So although the ring was not in possession of any person, but there was information about ring's owner. So A, by appropriating the ring for his own use, has committed criminal misappropriation of property. Right? So those who are saying option number C, that is the right answer. And Ujjwala is saying option number A. No, Ujjwala, read the case properly, read the statement properly, then try to attempt that. This is the case of criminal misappropriation of property, right? So these were all 10 questions for the day, and this is the question for achievers, guys. So those who will give the right answer, their name will be displayed in the next session, right? You know the rule. So question is A, by putting B in fear of grievous hurt, dishonestly induces B to sign on a blank paper and deliver it to A. So A has committed the offense of which of the following? So guys, your options are cheating, extortion, criminal breach of trust, forgery, or mischief. So this you have to answer by making a comment, and those who will give the right answer, guys, your name will be displayed in the next session. So you know the rule. So try to attempt this. Read the question carefully, then try to attempt the question, right? So guys, this is all for this session. I hope you enjoyed the session and learned a lot of new things. We'll come up with the next session. We'll come up with some informative and quality content. Till then, goodbye and have a good day, friends.